everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com. I'm gonna show you the easy way to cut a whole chicken. This will save you money and you can use the leftover carcass to make the most flavorful chicken stock. All you need is a sharp knife and a whole chicken. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels to make it easier to work with, and you'll start by cutting off the chicken legs. Slice only through the skin just below the chicken breast. Now pull the leg away and pop the bone out. You'll cut just behind that bone right through the joint, and it should separate easily. Repeat with the second side, keeping as much of the meat on the chicken leg as possible. When you're cutting a chicken, if your knife has a lot of resistance when you're trying to cut through, you're probably hitting a bone, so move your knife around slightly until it goes through easily. Keeping the chicken breast side up, we're gonna remove the wings. Use your fingers to feel for the joint, and you're gonna cut right through that. Repeat with the second wing, and it does give you a little more control if you pull up on the wing as you're cutting. To remove the chicken breast, place the chicken on its side. You'll see on each side there's a fat line running down from top to bottom. The fat lines are really a roadmap for cutting the chicken. Use some kitchen shears to cut right through that. You're gonna snip right through the rib cage, separating the backbone from the breastbone. I usually cook with boneless chicken breast, so to debone the chicken breast, slice right down the center through the skin. Locate the breastbone in the center, then cut the chicken breast away from the bone. To get a clean cut, don't saw back and forth, but use long strokes. And cut all the way down, which should completely debone the chicken breast. To separate the drumstick from the thigh, flip it over and cut along the fat line, and you should cut right between the joints. If you feel resistance, shift your knife around until it slides through easily. To debone the thigh, locate the bone, then cut the meat away from it on both sides. Get a firm grip on one end of the chicken bone and cut the bone away from the meat with long, careful strokes. I hope you guys found this tutorial super helpful. If you did, give me a great big thumbs up below. And in the comments below, let me know if you have any burning kitchen questions, any how-tos that you'd like to see a video for. Also, just so you know, our chicken was not harmed in the making of this video. Hey, before you go, for more cooking tutorials, check these out right over here. And click below to subscribe, and when you do, click that little bell icon. That means you'll never miss another one of our tutorials or recipes. We'll see you later.